Very good morning, class 8. In today's lecture we will discuss about another type of a non-contact force, and that is magnetic force. A magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. That type of force is called magnetic force, as these two magnets are not going to touch each other, but there is a force between them, and this force is a non-contact force. You can see here there are the two magnets. We have shown two magnets here, and the opposite poles, they are going to attract each other, whereas the like poles are going to repel each other. And further we will understand about the concept, how they are attracting each other and when will they repel each other. So let's begin related to this. Opposite poles are going to attract, whereas the same poles are going to repel, and it is a kind of a push or a pull. Okay, so to understand the type of non-contact force, we must understand about the properties of magnet. कि magnet के अंदर आप सबको पता होगा कि magnet के कितने poles होते हैं. How many poles a magnet have? Magnet is having two poles, like one is north pole and other one is south pole. But there are some other properties of the magnet, and we will understand that properties also. So properties of magnet. There is a force of repulsion or there is a force of attraction. I hope आपने lower classes में पढ़ा होगा कि like poles क्या करते हैं. Like poles are going to repel each other, whereas unlike poles are going to attract each other. So there is a force of attraction as well as can be the force of repulsion in the case of magnets. And magnetic force, it is also the force which is exerted by the magnet on magnetic materials. Yes, here are the four properties they have shown in the picture. Magnet is having the two poles, and these are the ends of magnet where the magnetic force is strongest. Second one is, जब भी हम magnet को suspend करते हैं freely, वो कौन सी direction में freely set होता है, रेस्ट में आता है, it is in the north and south direction. Magnet always attract the object which are made up of iron and steel, and poles always exist in pair. That means कि अगर हमारा एक मैग्नेट है, उसके मोनोपोल्स एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते. मोनोपोल्स मीन एक पोल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. जब भी मैग्नेट आप देखोगे, मान लीजिए यहाँ आपको एक बड़ा मैग्नेट दिख रहा है जिसके दो पोल्स हैं, लाइक नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. नॉर्थ इज ऑफ रेड कलर एंड साउथ इज ऑफ ब्लू कलर. अगर आप इस मैग्नेट को कट भी कर देते हैं, कट करने के बाद भी हमारे पास इस मैग्नेट के कितने पोल्स रहेंगे? वी विल हैव द टू पोल. वन इज नॉर्थ and other one is south, and again north and south. So monopoles are not existing in the case of magnets. So now we are going to understand about how the like poles are going to repel and unlike poles are going to attract. For this we will perform one activity. We have having the two bar magnets. There you can see the north pole and the south pole. Now what we are going to do, we will bring another north pole towards, or you can bring a south pole towards it also, and you will see what change will you observe. These two poles are going to attract each other. There would be the force of attraction. When a north pole and a south pole are brought closer, they are going to pull towards each other. And if you are going to reverse this process, what would happen? Now there is a north pole on the left side we have shown, and we will bring a magnet which is on the right side is also having the north pole. So what's the difference between the previous activity? There was north and south pole, but in this case there is north and north pole. So what would be the observation? These two poles, because these two poles are same, so they will repel each other, they will move away from each other. So that is the force of repulsion, and in the previous one there is a force of attraction. So like poles repel each other, that is called repulsion, and unlike poles attract each other, that is called attraction. And magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. So such type of force is the non-contact force, and this is a magnetic force. And you should know about the different properties of magnet, that magnet all